Oh, I look so ugly. I am ugly.
No, you're not. How many times do I have to
Yes,
tell you?
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Believe me, if you see her in person, she's not ugly.
Yes, I am.
Just on the camera. I'm just kidding.
I'm hideous.
No, you're not.
Don't even lie. Where's my brush?
I just gave that to you.
I threw it back at you.
Oh, that's my sandal.
I don't want to stand on the brush in my hair.
Oh. You know, I feel a whole lot better.
Wait, my...
I feel so much better.
Give me a brush. Thank you.
Woo!
Now that you burped.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just trying to make Brandon Burdett really jealous of what he's missing out. I was like madly in love with this kid, and I'm gonna tag him in this video, okay? I dated him from the 3rd to the 7th, and he broke up with me for an unknown reason, okay? Really gets me mad. It pisses me off. I'm gonna tag him in this video now. I'm just gonna put it up on Facebook and tag him in it. And I'm gonna ask everyone else to look at my video and tell me that I'm ugly, because they know I am.
Stop! No, you're not! You're gonna make me embarrass myself on the camera like I just did.
That's such a creepy laugh. But yeah, I look like crap because I just got back from a party. So, I'm singing Eyes Open! I'm just kidding. Eyes Open by Taylor Swift. I do not sing good. I am so tired. Oh wait, should Sarah comment other things? Oh, she didn't comment. Balls. Okay.
Imagine this when we watch it. We're gonna be so scared.
Facebook no matter what. Everybody's waiting. Everybody's watching. Everybody's sleeping. Keep your eyes open.
It's so embarrassing.
Yes, thanks.
You have to keep that.
It's everything. It's just something we were just children. Playing songs so free. Turning. Drinking, dreaming, happy. In backyards, waiting weather for the wooden swords. But now we stepped into a cruel world where everybody stands like keep still, keep your eyes open. Everybody's waiting for you to break down. Everybody's watching to see you fall out. Even when you're sleeping, sleeping. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. Did you just hear Wiley growl? Keep your eyes open. So here we are, 2 steps ahead and we're on guard. Every lesson comes a new start. Think never comes a break. This far, but turn around and know we're gonna join you. So down, and no one comes to save you now. But they know something they don't. Yeah, you know something they don't. You just gotta keep your eyes open. Everybody's waiting for you to break down. Everybody's watching, see the fallout. Even when you're sleeping, sleeping. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. Keep your feet steady, heartbeat ready. Keep your eyes open. Keep your aim lost. The night grows dark. Keep your eyes everybody's waiting for you to break down. Everybody's watching to see you fall out. Even when you're sleeping, sleeping.
Get